Okay, I made it back to the country property, and my banana tree, the one in the back, is doing all right. It's surviving. I'm gonna put in a fire pit. So I was looking at where's the best place to put it, you know? And here, the ground is already bare, so I wouldn't have to dig too far. So let's see if we can make this work. All right, I found my spot. It's already dirt right there. Now I'm gonna put some more sand in the bottom. I was just pulling it down. You have a rake or something? Like, I should have asked you about that. Yeah, you can dump it out so that way you be out. Don't. You got the rakers over there. You trying to make it hard to listen? No, ma'am. Just stay close to it, you know? That might be good right there. Not too far, because we can put another bag on this side. Bring this over here. That's good. We'll put, we need one more. Other bag up there, that's fine. The third bag. You want it? It's fine. I mean, you got it. If you don't need it, you don't need it. But they wash away or different things, so just go ahead and put it up. Okay. Yep. That's good. You probably could use one more bag, but that's okay. But now it's fine. Right. Then we can do the fabric if we need, but we can sit around. For now, this is my little makeshift fire pit. I put sand in, well, Mom and I, and then put some pea gravel around the outside. This spot was already had sand and dirt in it, so we'll test it out probably tomorrow. Maybe build a little fire and see how it goes, and then we can expand at another date tomorrow. tomorrow it'll be time to plant the blackberry bushes. So I'll find a spot for them somewhere around the yard. But this is exciting. Guess what? I found a little gold mine back over there. I saw that she had some large stones. So now we really can complete the fire pit. I'm gonna place these around here. I've been placing them around, but it looks good. Yes. Awesome. Woo. Got a workout doing it too. Probably could do a few more, but it looks good. Just like that. Now I can say it is finished. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.